Today's long tutorial is brought to you in part by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm really excited. They have new shades in this, so they added more shades, which now I have a perfect shade. And I've been wanting to do another eye look with this. This is actually one of my favorite palettes. Need I say more? So I thought we'd do a fun little spring eye and just show you some of my favorite ABH products. Let's start over here. I already have my lids primed, but I'm going to start by pressing this color into my socket. I feel like the shimmers speak for themselves, but I do want to mention that the mattes are really easy to work with, but they're really nice and pigmented. They kind of just lay on top of each other really, really nicely. Ooh, I like that. It's a nice color. I kind of want to do a shiny brow bone. But then, let me grab just a little bit more of this shade. Let me grab a fluffier brush so I'm not using quite as much. You can kind of get an extra transition out of one shade if you just switch to a fluffier brush. I wish somebody would have told me that sooner. So I just put a little bit of clear eyeshadow base on, and you best believe you already knew what color I was going to use. This one is so pretty because it's transparent, so you're still able to kind of see my skin through it. But then once the light hits it, it really just dazzles and sparkles. Oh, that is so pretty. I am gonna build it up just a little bit more. And then we're gonna switch to a different lid color. Then I wanted to use this really pretty rose gold. Paint that on. Oh, and don't worry, we're gonna work this in. It's getting worked in. I'm gonna take just a little bit of that clear base, and then we're gonna go into this shade. Don't worry, I still wanna do another look with this because I wanna do another smoky eye with this shade in particular because it's just on another level. So I'm just using that same shade Galaxy, ooh, the sparkle. And I'm just going to kind of angle this upwards. Then I'm gonna take a fluffier brush, and I'll hop over into just a little bit of this shade, and I'm just gonna stamp over kind of the very edges of it. That way we can transition it and soften it a little bit more. Now I definitely wanted to tidy this up a little bit with my micellar water. And that trick I just showed you to kind of use that fluffier brush to transition this, it's a really, really easy way to get a more diffused smoky wing shadow. I want to add just a little bit more. I want to add just a little bit more of that rose gold shade. I really think it's pretty kind of melted into the blue. Now this is the Impeccable Foundation, and I normally don't ever want you to pump it onto your face the way that I just did. But y'all know I've really been in my mixing era, and this is the best match that I can possibly get right out of the bottle. It's very exciting, especially when it comes to a full coverage foundation. It just looks so good. It's like I have mixed it, but it's right out of the bottle. And this is one of the new shades, 3.25 in. It'll be labeled or in the caption. I remember, and this would have been me back in 2016, I would put on a full coverage foundation, and I didn't realize that it was possible. I'm just gonna put it on the back of my hand now, but it was possible to get a perfect match. So I just assumed that the yellow was gonna be fixed with the bronzer, and it is just so nice that I don't have to think that. I don't have to think, oh, we're gonna fix it with the bronzer. It's already perfect. So I'm just gonna do concealer underneath my eyes, because I feel that I have enough coverage everywhere else. It looks so smooth. Delightful. Let's use this. I'm gonna take this more bubblegum pink, and I'm gonna apply it here, kind of just as a little blush transition. And I'm using a concealer brush to do this. That way I can keep it a little tight and a little bit more pigmented. Ready? And then, I like how it's matching that too. Ooh, pretty. I love makeup. I don't know if you know that. Then I'm gonna take just a whisper of this shade, which is gonna be a little bit darker, and that's just gonna go underneath it. I'm going to build it a little bit more. These are wildly pigmented, so do keep that in mind. It looks so pretty with the foundation. This brush still has a little bit of that color on it. And I'm just going to add some definition and kind of connect it here. And then let's grab a fluffier brush. Let's hop here. It's just on the tip of the brush, that way I can just kind of soften it and transition it a little bit more. Just hooting and hollering in there. Then we're gonna grab this shade and I'm gonna use all of that wet concealer to my advantage. Oh, that's so pretty. I'm going to set everything. And the way that this blush sets, now keep in mind, you could have used a less dense brush, but I'm just out here painting and having fun. And I always want you to know that things are buildable in case you have a deeper skin tone and you kind of want to play around with colors. We want to make sure that we have pigment, but we want to be able to adjust the pigment depending on what tool we use. Let's do our lips. This is ABH lipstick in shade Peony. And then, if you like cool tones, Stormy, it's delightful. And this is a classic wood clenched pencil. So if you want to get the lip really, really precise, these sharpen really, really nicely. Nice. All right, my friends, this is our finished look. I love how the blush ties in to the kind of pinky on the eye. It's delightful to me. I love a nice tie-in. This palette is very inspiring to me. I'm already excited to use it again. I want to use this, but as a smoky eye, so you can really see kind of the galaxy effect that shadow has. And we've talked about sequin shadows, and that's exactly what that is. Also, this is probably my favorite full coverage foundation, and now that they have added more shades, I can absolutely highly suggest it to you. The wear time is fantastic, but it's just really nice that there's a nice cool shade for me now that I don't have to mix around with. I love my mixy, but it is nice to have something that's just right out of the bottle. Thank you, Anastasia Beverly Hills, for sponsoring this longer video. Thank you for watching it. Until the next video, I love you with all of my heart. Bye for now.